Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another haul video for you guys, and I've actually never done a Black Friday haul just because I don't feel like I ever really go that crazy with like sales and stuff like that. But I feel like this year, I don't know what came over me, but I just bought like a whole bunch of like activewear and just like random cute items that I thought I would want to share with you guys. But of course, before we get started, I want to quickly shout out today's sponsors. Thank you to Tokyo Treats and Sakurako for sponsoring today's videos. Literally look at how adorable this packaging is. It's so festive and I love it. This would look so perfect like under a Christmas tree or stuffed in a little stocking because it just like matches the vibes perfectly. I love it. It's so cute. Tokyo Treats is a fun and exclusive Japanese snack box featuring exciting and unique flavors straight from Japan. Each box is filled with a variety of different snacks, including limited edition Kit Kats, unique flavored chips, and even sometimes sodas that are only available in Japan for a limited time. This box's theme is Merry Christmas. Tokyo Treats Very Merry Snackmas. Literally so cute. This like kind of makes the perfect gift, especially for like snack lovers or people that just love trying different things. A subscription of Tokyo Treats would be so perfect because you never know what you're gonna get in a box. It's always a surprise, and they change it up every single month depending on all the like cool and fun exciting things that are happening in Tokyo, and I absolutely adore that. It is so cool and so exciting to just rummage through these boxes. Literally like all of my family and friends get so excited every single time I receive a new box because it's so exciting just to like find and discover new treats that you would never really actually get to experience unless you're in Japan during certain seasons. So I absolutely adore them. And of course we can't forget about Sakurako. I love my Sakurako boxes. Sakurako is a monthly Japanese artisan snack box that support local Japanese snack makers. Each box comes with 20 traditional authentic artisan Japanese snack items, including Japanese teas and a little tableware item that I get so excited for every single month. This box's theme is the holidays in Hokkaido. Whoa, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Literally, oh my god, I cannot wait to rummage through this. This looks so good. I've never been to Hokkaido, so I'm so excited to try like all the different snacks from that region. And Sakurako is literally so good at curating the best traditional kind of snacks. I feel like this is almost even perfect for like your mom or your dad or people that are kind of hard to buy for, that like a little bit more like traditional flavors or things that aren't too sweet. This is so perfect for that. I absolutely adore them. I think that my parents do prefer the Sakurakos, whereas my siblings prefer the Tokyo Treat boxes, so I feel like they would make perfect gifts for even like different age ranges. So perfect. I love. And you don't even really have to like wrap them up because the boxes are so cute. You could literally just tie a little ribbon and put them under the tree or in a little stocking, and they'd be so perfect. Of course, if you want to pick up your own box today, definitely feel free to use my discount code ARENA at checkout or click the link down in the bio. But let's get on with the rest of the video. And I went a little bit, I don't think I went that crazy with the shopping, honestly. I feel like I did rein it in a bit, but I did end up buying like a lot of sportwear items. I don't know what kind of came over me, but I think I've just been kind of living in sportwear these days because I just do a lot of different activities and it's all I wear, so I thought it'd be a good time, especially with all the sales on, to kind of invest in some more like nice sport pieces. So I picked up quite a few things. Let's just start with Rebel since they're all in a massive Rebel bag. Well, I actually picked up some things in store and some things online because I couldn't find what I wanted in store. I was looking for a particular pair of shorts, but I couldn't find them, and I tried these on in store and I quite liked them. They like sat nicely, and they also have the lining at the bottom that has like the short lining, which is perfect because I like to wear shorts bouldering sometimes, and if you boulder you're like on the wall, and if there's like nothing underneath certain shorts your whole ass is out. So I really like that they come with the safety shorts underneath. I picked these up in a medium. They're like cute flowy and they have a little Nike tick at the bottom. I'll include like a try on clip for you guys. It's so hot today. But I actually didn't want this particular pair. I came in looking for these and I couldn't find them, so I ended up getting these online. I have these in like a light purple lavender color. My sister brought them for me and I ended up really liking them because I think I wore them climbing once and I just liked how they looked. So I decided to pick them up again in a black version. I was gonna try these on, and then if I liked these better than the other pair, I was gonna return those, but then I ended up liking both of them. They're kind of different. These ones don't have the like short lining underneath them. They kind of just have the undie lining, which is still good. Like, I don't really care that much. I can still wear them bouldering because they do have a little bit of safety secure compressions underneath them. So I love these. These also sit a little lower, whereas the other ones are a little bit on my waist. These are a bit more on my hip, and I just think it looks cute. So I picked those up as well, and I needed some new tops because I wear a lot of like sport t-shirts and I play baddie and it's getting so hot and I sweat so much, so I needed like that thinner kind of breathable material. So I saw this top and I thought the shape was cute, like it's a little baggy, a little bit more round, which is shapes that I like to go for. So I picked it up in a black and I really liked it, so I ended up picking up another one in the white color. Super nice. I'm actually gonna go play baddie tonight, so I might wear this one. I've already worn the black one, so maybe I'll wear the white one next. I love that. Those are kind of all the pieces that I picked up from Rebel. I also picked up some stuff from Elite 11, so I got these online. I just needed like some cute tops because I don't know, I just like to look cute when I'm bouldering, and I wouldn't wear these for baddie because I would sweat way too much in them, but I feel like for bouldering it'll be pretty cute. So I just got this like little navy cropped t-shirt and it's got the Elite 11 logo embroidered. I just thought it was really cute, so I got that one, and I also picked one up in a white because white is just such a versatile color and I can wear it with like any colored shorts if I really wanted to. So I thought this would be perfect, so I picked this one up. And I saw this on the website and it just looks cool. I don't even know how I'm gonna style it or how I'm gonna wear it, but I just kind of liked it. It's got like a little zip down the middle. This brown color is also gorgeous, so you can kind of wear it like as a collared top or like high neck, like a little turtleneck moment, but it's got like kind of a corset vibe to it. Like the shape, it kind of comes in the middle and gives a little bit of a corset vibe, which I thought looks really stylish. And then it's got the little Elite 11 printed logo on the side, which is super cute. I kind of like that. And I also picked up some shorts because I'm trying to find nice shorts that I like. I actually don't really like these that much. I think I'm gonna give them to my sister just because I like when my shorts flare out and they look a little baggier. I don't really like when they look slim and skinny. I just feel like it's not that flattering on my body type and I just don't really prefer it. But these shorts are quite nice. They don't have lining either, which is kind of annoying for bouldering, but they're still nice. The color's cute, a nice navy moment with the little logo on the side here. Very nice. And also a little logo in the back, which is cute. But yeah, I'm gonna give this pair to my sister. And I also picked up a pair of grey leggings. This is like such a nice dark grey. I went hiking with one of my friends once and she was wearing grey leggings and I thought they just looked so much nicer than like a jet black. So I've been wanting a pair for the longest time, and since they went on sale I decided to pick up a pair of the grey leggings. These are so comfortable and they just feel so nice on the skin, but I will say I don't like how it doesn't hug me around the ankles. Like, I think it fits me perfectly everywhere else, but it's just a little loose on the ankles and I feel like it looks kind of weird. So every time I wear these I'm gonna have to wear them with like high socks or something just to cover the like not tightness around the ankles. But super comfortable, like this, can't wait to wear it. But that's everything that I got from Elite 11. I picked up like a few other like sporty kind of items from Cotton On as well, and Supre kind of. They're like all part of the same company, so I'm just gonna put them together. But I picked up a little bra. I forgot to say the sizes for everything. Pretty much everything that I buy is in a medium. But I picked up a little white sport bra. I actually purchased this previously from Cotton On Body in a small because they didn't have the medium, and I just really liked the way it looked. The small fit me, but like it was just tight and uncomfortable, so I decided to pick it up in a medium, which is my actual size because they sold out of it the last time I looked. and I think they were having a sale for like 2 for $40. I was gonna get 2 of these. I was gonna get 2 sport bras, but then I found these shorts and I thought they were super cute. These little biker shorts. They're like a really gorgeous like taupey gray brown color, and they're ribbed. I don't think I own anything like this, and I just thought they would look really cute bouldering and stuff like that. So I picked up a pair, and then I just got it with this one. Both of them are in medium. And I also got like a bather top because I've really been needing some new bathers. It's like summer in Australia now, and it's getting pretty hot, so I can't wait for like a beach season to hit. And I just like that this top is kind of like a bathing suit and a top. I thought it would be nice for the days that I don't feel like wearing a full-on bikini. It doubles as a top, and it's like a cute little like lacy, it's not lace, but it looks like lace, but it's a swimwear material. A triangle cup. I don't really like triangle shapes on me, but then I guess for bathers it's kind of unavoidable, so I thought it was super cute. My sister actually got me that one. But I picked up like a whole bunch of tops from Supré. I brought one a while ago, and I've just been wearing it so much that I thought I would pick some more up since they're on sale. And I brought it in a white and a dark brownie taupe, but I decided to pick another white one up. The other one that I have, it's nice and tight. This one is still tight, but I feel like it's a little bit more loose, which I think looks a little bit more flattering on me. So I picked it up in a white. It's that really nice, like airy kind of material. Like you can wear these casually. I think a lot of people wear them casually, but I like them for sports because I feel like they still look fashionable while still kind of being practical because the material is so thin. So I've been really liking these. I picked it up in a white and navy color. These are like my go-to sport colors, like white, navy and black, just because they're easy to hide kind of when you're sweating, if that makes sense. And it also, like, a lot of sport things look better in these types of colors. But I bought one in a white, a blue, and I was actually gonna get another one in this brown color, but then the girl in line in front of me, she was wearing, I swear she was wearing this top, and I thought it just looked so pretty on her, and I was like, nah. I feel like light colors are a little bit more my forte than dark colors, so instead of the dark brown, I picked up this like pale yellow, and I love this color. I think it looks so pretty. I'm so obsessed. I'm so happy with these. They were like 15 as well, I think. I think they were originally like 20, and then they were 15 with the Black Friday sale, so I loved that. And I also picked up a little dress. This is probably like the only item in here that's not really sport related, but I just thought it was like a really cute brown sleeveless dress. That's like a nice casual dress just to throw on whenever I don't really know what to wear. So I just wanted a nice basic cute dress. And I thought this one was perfect. Strapless, easy to throw on, comfortable material. And that is all of the clothing items that I got. I did pick up a few like other random things, so I'm just gonna go through them with you. I'm super excited about this one piece that I got, but I got a little Pandora ring. I've been wanting to buy myself like a little promise ring for the longest time, and since Pandora was having a sale, I decided to like have a browse, and I kind of fell in love with this little ring. How absolutely beautiful is she? She's so perfect. I have been obsessed with her. She's like a little heart diamond ring. My hands are a little janky from bouldering, so please ignore that, but it literally, this ring is so beautiful. It's like it's a little heart that's surrounded by little crystals, and I just think she is so beautiful. I'm obsessed, and I've never really been much of a ring girl. I decided that I wanted to start kind of building my collection a little bit more, so what better time to start than a beautiful little gold heart promise ring for myself. Yeah, I love that. And I also picked up some Japanese hair items. I went to a random market and they were selling these and they were on sale, so I just decided to pick them up because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. And I don't know why, but I feel like recently I've been hardcore hating my hair. Like, I don't know if it's my shampoo, I don't know what's happening, but I feel like my hair always feels a little frizzy and it just hasn't been the vibes. So I wanted to try out some new shampoos. I bought this Tsubaki shampoo. This is the Cool and Repair, the premium Cool and Repair shampoo and conditioner. I've used Tsubaki in the past and I have really liked it. I normally use the red collection, but they didn't have it. They only had this one, and since I love the brand, I decided just to give it a shot, and I picked these two up. Cannot wait to try them. And I saw these as well. Let me open this up because I want to show you. I've actually never used this brand before, but they were on sale, so I thought I would give it a try. This is the Ichikami Moisturizer Shampoo and Moisturizer Conditioner. I think I was like watching a TikTok of a girl talking about them, and she said this was good for like dry and re-moisturizing hair, and since my hair's been frizzy, I thought that this would be a good shampoo to go with. So I decided to pick these up too and give them a try. But I cannot wait. I love hair care stuff. Those are all the items that I picked up for Black Friday, and a lot of it was like kind of boring activewear, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And of course, if you want to support me and my channel, definitely feel free to check out Tokyo Treats down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!